What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a look at UPST Upstart. So Upstart, fantastic day today. 22 points on the session, 16.5%. Very, very strong. What I do want to point out here is we are at these previous highs here going back 2 Thursdays, so 2 weeks ago here, where we kind of ran into this 158.66. So one thing that I do want to note, okay, I think the Upstart can continue the upward move, but what I want to see is I do want to see a little bit of a pullback. I do want to see that little bit of a pullback just due to the fact that if we can pull back sometime in the after hours, maybe even pre-market or right off the bell, and then start to catch support and then work our way back higher towards 158.66, I think this is going to be the area of opportunity where we're going to want to take a day trade on Upstart. Definitely going to want to let it pull back, and then we're going to want to see it consolidate, and then we're going to want to move back up, and we're going to want to take out these previous levels of resistance here. You can see this is forming a double top. If Upstart is not able to break through that 158.66 and we do just pull back, I don't think there's any bit of short position, like just due to the fact that they said that we could completely pull back into $142 and this stock can still give a massive reversal bounce. So definitely don't want to get caught on the short side. You kind of want to let the stock play out. You want to let it do its thing. You want to let the stock pull back into rising support. So what that means, if you're not too familiar with technical analysis, you want to take a look at the 5, 10, 20-day moving averages on your time frame. You want to pull up the 1 hour time frame and you want to see where those moving averages are correlating. If Upstart starts to pull back and let's say into the 5 or the 10-day moving average and we can get that bounce, that's going to be your area of opportunity to try to bounce that stock back into 158, just depending on the significance of the pullback. Now, I really wouldn't start to get too worried or start to try to short this big move on Upstart. Upstart would really have to lose 142. Okay, so when it loses 142, it's going to need to have some confirmation, and it's going to need to take out those new lows below 142, and obviously anything under 142 is going to give you some room to 130, 120. But again, why would you want to take a chance shorting this into rising supply or rising demand when you can quickly get shaken out of that position? Definitely let it pull back. I would like to see a sort of pullback. The last thing you want to see Upstart do is gap up tomorrow and push higher right off the bell, because then it could get stuffed into supply here and then start to roll over. And obviously if it rolls over back through these highs of about 158, you can definitely start to see that pull back into this rising support. So if you are a bull, you need to understand how to trade these stocks. When stocks make great moves and they're at a level of supply, what you want is a flat open or a red open. Right off the bell, you want a little bit of a pullback. You want some sort of pullback into rising hourly support, and then you want to bounce off rising support and then take it through the highs. Now, if you're a bear and you're looking to short, what you are looking for is some sort of gap up or some sort of, green open that just starts running crazy right off the bell. And then you want to see it start to get weak, consolidate, and start to lose that level. And obviously you're going to take those highs. That's going to be your stop loss, and you're going to short it back down into this 158. And obviously under 158, you're going to need that back test to this area, consolidation, and you're going to need to take out those lows once again to get back into that short position. I hope I gave you guys a couple of different ways to play Upstart tomorrow, but congratulations to anyone who was in this trade. Fantastic move, $22 on the session. You can't argue with that. What a way to start the week, even though, there's a lot of uncertainty going on in the world with everything, that is going on right now. With that being said, if you guys are looking to day trade with me each and every single day live, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I'm going to see you guys all there this week. To any new members, definitely reach out to me. Send me a DM in Discord. I'll more than be happy to get you set up, so we can start rocking and rolling together. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, throw a like on this video, and I'm going to see you guys all in the next training video.